Hi, I'm Zoe Digital Creations. Welcome to this new unboxing video. This is a Canon EOS 250D. Let's start with the unboxing. This camera has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. They are very useful for exporting photos and videos quickly. Let's open the box. There are a lot of instructions and a flyer to download the Canon Cloud app. I've tried it and it is very useful. If you want a video where I show you how all the Canon apps work, let me know down below in the comments. I take everything out of the box. This is the body of the camera. Here is it. Well, this is the lens. This is the charger with its cable. And finally, the battery. Let's set up the lens. I make the white squares coincide and screw. That's it. A useful but at the same time fun thing is that the two caps can be screwed together so as not to lose them. I bought this micro SD card to insert into the camera, but first it needs to be inserted into the adapter. The SD card slot is next to the battery slot, which I insert right away. The screen opens and can be tilted as we want. Personally, I think it is very useful and comfortable. And turn on the camera by moving this lever. The lens is equipped with stabilizer and automatic and manual focus. This is the zoom and focus. The flash is integrated and an external flash can also be attached. There are many levers to manage switching on/off, video and all the various effects and filters. Let's take some pictures. This is the result. I also took pictures in my garden with better light, and I must say that I'm very satisfied with the result. I leave you the Amazon link of this beautiful camera in the description. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Leave a like if you liked this video, subscribe to not miss the next videos. Follow me on social networks to not miss the news.